In this video, we pump up some RC tyres and put them on a wheelie king. See how high we can jump it. And the TRX-4 has a fit. What's happening, guys? Alright guys, want to make some extra cash so you can buy more toys, quit your job, go on more holidays, or maybe build a monster truck? I've got you covered. Check out my course in the description and I'll show you how to make 100k profit a year. Guys, how you doing? It's another day and we're going to have some more fun with these pump up tyres. The plan is to pump these things up really big and give it another run on this, and then we're going to move them over onto this thing. So I'm going to be using this professional tyre pumper upper because the thing it comes with is absolutely useless. Alright, so this is the last one that I've got to pump up, so please don't blow up on me. I really want to give this a go on a set of all four. Haha, we got 4 inflated. Alright, so clearance wise, it does rub a little bit on the front bumper, so I will just rip that off. Haha, perfect. What's happening, guys? Too much TSM. There we go. Ah, so top heavy now. How well does it crawl? Oh, straight over. Alright, let's put this back to yesterday's configuration that everything else struggled on. Let's see how it does with this. Ha! Straight over, guys. This thing is going over everything. Alright, let's see how it performs on the stunt track. It just bounces. Oh, that sounded like a blow. Oh no. Oh no, the air's come out. I was only popped off the bead, so you'll be able to pump that up again. Luckily, it's only come off the bead lock there, so all we got to do let's see if she'll hold some air. Beautiful. Alright guys, let's get him on this wheelie king before we destroy him. mounted up, ready to go. But while the battery's still in this one, and we put these bogger tyres on there, let's give this a quick blast over the same track and see what happens. Same track, guys, different tyres. What's going to happen? It does it pretty well. Oh, straight over, guys. Check it out. Oh! Guys! What happened? Did you hear that? Oh no! Oh, it's just popped it off the bead. Alright guys, we'll take that off, we'll pump that up again. But it's not dead yet. But we better get this out there soon before it does it to the rest of them. It's a miniature version of this. Oh, nearly took a bit of a bounce. Oh, nailed a backflip. It's even got the bounce like a real one. Oh, just hit this backflip ramp before it's game over. Here we go, guys. Oh! Oh, that was some air. We got a blowout. We got a blowout, guys. All the air's come out and it's just popped it off the bead again. Oh, actually it's blown two out. Oh no. Alright guys, well I feel a bit bad to destroy these ones because I think we should really put them back on the TRX-4, wherever that's gone. Where's it gone? There. I think we really should put those back onto this TRX-4, pump them up like this and then take them out and do some proper crawling with them just for a bit of fun. But not to let you guys down, let's just blow this tyre up. there she goes. Look. Oh dear. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Let me know in the comments if you want to see any other shenanigans, if you see any stupid ideas or anything you want me to do, what tyres you want me to put into what RC car. Give me some ideas in the comments guys, if I think it's a good idea, I'll turn it into a video. So alright guys, hope you liked this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, smash that bell button to stay notified. See you soon guys. Pew!